A blinking white light on your T-Mobile gateway indicates it's in a transitional state, not necessarily a failure. This typically means it's either booting up, trying to connect to the wide area network, or having internet connectivity issues. During startup, a blinking white light is normal for 1 to 5 minutes, but a prolonged blink suggests a problem with the firmware or power supply. When related to WAN or internet issues, the blinking indicates the gateway can't establish a connection with T-Mobile's network. This could be due to factors like SIM card problems, signal interference, or a service outage. If the light persists, there may be other issues as well, such as a corrupted SIM card. A solid white light signifies normal operation. Note, as of late 2025, T-Mobile rolled out firmware version 3.5.2, fixing many of these issues, but some users still experience them due to hardware or environmental factors. Begin troubleshooting your T-Mobile gateway's blinking white light with these key steps. First, power cycle the gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This simple step resolves about 65% of blinking white light issues. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and properly plugged in. If the problem persists, use the T-Mobile app for remote diagnostics. It can automatically detect and resolve many boot problems through over-the-air updates. Consider relocating the gateway to a higher elevation or a location with less interference from buildings or other signals. If a firmware update was recent, a corrupted SIM card may be the cause. Contact T-Mobile support for a replacement. As a last resort, try resetting the gateway to its factory settings. Be aware that tampering with the hardware voids the warranty, so avoid DIY repairs. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile support through their 24/7 chat or phone. Hardware replacements are common for unresolved cases.